In this video, we'll show you how to use the Namola in-app chat feature. Open the Namola app on your device. Hold down the Request Assistance button. Select your emergency type. Select if you want help for yourself or for someone else. You will receive a message from one of our agents. This is your in-app chat feature. An agent will still call you. Decline the call if you can't talk. Make use of the chat feature. Give a detailed explanation about your emergency. And confirm your location. Download Namola now from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.